everyone. Today we are in lesson 1.07, composing artworks. Composition means the way an artist arranges the parts of an artwork. In this quick video, we will practice using art vocabulary to describe what we see. These words will also help you on your quiz. Value, shape, line, color intensity, texture, form, and space. Before we get started, here's our week at a glance. Make sure that you are looking at this every week and you are following your daily tasks. So composition is an arrangement or parts of an artwork. When we describe an artwork, we don't just say, I like it or I don't like it. We use art words and point to evidence. For example, we say the colors are intense. When we say the colors are intense, we mean they look bright and strong. If we say the space is shallow, we mean that things do not appear very far away. As you take the quiz, look for the vocabulary word and then look for the visual clue in the artwork. The first big word is value. Value means how light or dark something is. An artwork can show value by using black, white, and different shades of gray. That is different from a question about color. Opposite colors on the color wheel are complementary colors. Warm colors are reds, oranges, and yellows. Colors made by mixing primary and secondary colors are tertiary colors. For value, focus on light and dark. Next are shape and line. Shape is rectangles, triangles, squares, circles, stars. Those are all examples of shape. A line is a path or an edge. In many geometric artworks, you can see horizontal lines that go side to side, vertical lines that go up and down, and diagonal lines that slant. On the quiz, do not choose only parallel lines or only curved lines if the artwork clearly has several types of straight lines. Let's talk about color intensity. Color intensity describes how bright or dark the colors look. When colors look strong, bold, and clear, we call them bright and intense. If the color has lots of saturated color, the best description is not pale and weak, not black and white, and not very little color. The best description is that colors are bright and intense. Texture means how a surface looks. Some textures are gritty, wrinkled, rough, or bumpy. In this type of clean geometric artwork, right here, the surfaces look smooth. Form is different from shape. A circle is a flat shape, but a sphere is a 3D form. A rectangle is a flat shape, but a rectangular prism is a 3D form. For the quiz, notice 3D forms such as cylinders and spheres. Space is about how near or far things appear. Deep space looks like it goes far back into the distance. A landscape, a road, or a long hallway can show deep space. Shallow space feels closer to the front, with objects arranged on a stage-like area. In the quiz image, the best answer is likely shallow space and not red and smooth. Red is a color, smooth is a texture. So let's review. Value is black, white, and shades of gray. Shapes are areas such as rectangles and circular shapes. Lines may be horizontal, vertical, and diagonal. Intensity describes bright or dull color. Texture describes surface, so a clean surface is smooth. Form means 3D objects such as cylinders and spheres. Space describes how near or far objects look. Shallow space means things seem close to the front. Great job, everybody. You are ready for the 1.07 quiz. I'll see you next week.